What's good? What's good? What's good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay, Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the Opportunity Plug. How you? What's goody? What's good? Guys, I want to shoot this video today because I want to kind of give you a power mining pool update. What's going on? And guys, you can kind of see it's still moving, it's still rolling. They are withdrawing. Everything is still up and running. If there is any issues or updates, they normally let us know in the back office, like, hey, this is going on, or this is showing double, or this is off, this is going to be adjusted, or they always keep you informed of what it is. But as I always mention, nothing is promised. These type of programs, guys, they can go south, they can go down tomorrow. No business really sticks around that long. I mean, out in the that I'm seeing in the crypto space. There is some out there, but then a lot of these, we can hope for the best, wish for the best, things like that, but we don't know. So with that being said, if you're gonna do something, play in this playground, know the risks that come involved. You can lose money in anything. So always be aware of that. You can lose money in any program, affiliate marketing, crypto space, brick and mortar. You can start a business and the business doesn't fucking work and it goes down and you've lost money because you paid all that damn money to start it. So any type of thing like this, you can lose money. So the thing is, first things first is that I always like for you to understand is that you can't call something a scam or go out there and bitch and complain about it knowing that what it was. And this is not, I'm not necessarily saying that this is a scam, but what I try to tell people is that know what you're getting involved in. If you don't know what you're getting involved in and you choose to get involved in something and take risks, know that that's you, okay? I'm not going to blame the person that introduced this to me almost fucking a year ago, and then, I mean, what, in August or September, and then all of a sudden it goes down today, and Lord knows I've made money in it, and now all of a sudden I'm blaming him. That I'm not gonna do that. That's something I'm not gonna do. I chose what I wanted to do, and I chose to be involved in this, and that's me. So with that being said, if you choose to be involved in this is totally on you, okay? I'm just letting you know what I'm doing. I'm showing you what I'm doing. I'm showing you what I'm doing to make a little extra dough, okay? Now with this company here, they pay every 3 hours with the power mining pool. So as you can see, um, this is how they're paying out every 3 hours. So 14 cents. I've only purchased 2 shares, guys. Now all the money I made in this program has literally only been off of referral commissions. But I said, you know what? Now I made some nice change back. I'm gonna go ahead and start just popping out shares, popping in shares. So that's what I started doing here. So in my next, 50 that I approach, I'm gonna do another share. I'm gonna do another share after that, since I've been kind of cashing out pretty good. But I did purchase another share, as you can see. Someone did purchase a share today as well. And this thing, guys, when someone actually purchases shares, you can actually go down 10 levels deep with Power Mining Pool. 10 levels deep. So pretty much you can get paid off of people on different levels. So this is like, let's say this is a person I've directly enrolled. They're on my second level, okay? So I just wanted to kind of show you, ways that I still get paid. First level, second level, first level, first level, second level. So guys, there is people out here purchasing shares, and your money's gonna go up, and you can kind of see. So let me scroll down here. As you can see, it was like $9 where I just purchased a share for myself. Where see here, I bought a package. So February 17th, I bought a package. It was $56. Instead of me withdrawing the funds, I've actually just did a package. Bought another package. Okay, I bought another share. So that's what I did, and it took me down to $6. As you can see, creep right back up. Boom, $23 again. And once it reaches $50, then I'm game. Now I'm not going. I'm trying to scroll around, but the system's been giving me issues today. Here, as you see how this is still scrolling. So pretty much you can go down to 12 levels deep with the system itself. They do pay out that deep, okay? So when someone purchases a share, you're gonna get paid. They mine every three. I mean, you're paid every 3 hours. They mine up to 7 different altcoins, and you get paid out through 8 income streams. So with the currency exchange being in Bitcoin is the 8th income stream, okay? So no, this is not a USI Tech replacement. I'm not putting it out there as that. This is just something that I'm doing. This company here, like I said, they pay you for referring others, but they pay you also every 3 hours. Roughly around, it takes about 5 months for your share for one package to actually complete. So it's about 5 months here that it could take up to for your shares to actually complete there with this program here. Now again, your minimum share is $50. per share, and that's 50 euros. I'm sorry. So it's 50 euros per share, and they're pretty much saying that they're going to pay you out 70 euros back, pretty much. Okay, so I'm not giving you any type of guaranteed income claims or anything like that on my end. I just pretty much like to show you guys what you can definitely do out here. This is kind of something on autopilot. So I was out the other day watching Black Panther with my family. Fucking loved that movie, man. It was a good movie, and I was still getting paid every 3 hours. I mean, I had people from the conversion pros. I had people from um, Easy One Up. I was getting best easy work signups. It was just crazy, man. Even with this going on, it was just crazy getting paid out in money like that. So it was kind of cool, man. Definitely, it was cool. But I just wanted to show you guys my update. What's going on? It's still moving. It's still popping. Power mining pool, they're paying, man. As you can see here, somebody tried to actually get in here and take my money, man. This is when somebody tried to break in my account. They actually did get in my account and requested it. But the thing is about Power mining pool, they don't send your money out right away. If you do it within a certain time frame, pretty much it has to be verified. And what I did, if this ever happens to you guys, delete the email. If you get the email that comes through your email, delete it, and then go into your account, change your passcodes immediately. Also change your email, because obviously they got into your email to actually submit their request, to actually confirm the request. So definitely change your email, do things like that, guys. So this is where they reversed my 300 bucks. Then a couple days later, I just went and took it from the system itself and said, you know, I'm not going to leave a large amount of money in there. It's either going to be a share or I'm taking it, period. That's it. That's all. It's either going to be a share or it's being taken. So that's just how I'm rocking. That's how I'm rolling. I'm not leaving money in there just sitting, because that's how money gets taken. It's either going to go to my wallets, and that's it. Okay. But this company, they pay, man. They definitely pay. It's a good program. It's a good system to be involved in. I'm trying to click around and show you guys some more, but my system is running a little funky on this page today. But definitely, I have other videos that I have showing you. I just wanted to kind of show you guys that Power Mining Pool is still paying. Everything is still rocking and rolling. So, you know, if you're looking to mine, jump into a program, this company does actually pay out every 3 hours. They mine 7 different altcoins. It's just the way that it rocks. I'm going to leave the information here for you to check it out, read up on it, and you make a business decision from that. Okay, I'm not telling you to do it. I'm not telling you to do anything. You make a business decision from that. I'm just telling you what I'm doing and what's working for me. Okay, so I'm gonna wrap this video up. This is your boy Jay. I'm out. You guys have a beautiful and blessed Monday. Peace.